signal. Crow. Hey, what's that one? Oh, it's nice to be out here in the forest. Look at all the birds. Pigeon. We used to eat them. Oh, it's a swallow. Hey, that's nice. Hey, look. Oh, it's a... Wait a minute, what is that? It's a giant condor. It's carrying off my little brother. Well, one less Christmas present this year. But you know, kids, they say it is better to give than to receive. Whoa! It's a tufted titmouse. Oh, and a Baltimore Oriole. Yeah, I can tell because it's orange and black. And it's got a nest like a string bag. Yeah, up there in the catalpa tree. It's long green leaves. There's beans. Looks like beans coming off them. I love it out here. It's a nature trail. That's right, nature trail. Oh, look, it's the body of a deer. It's been mutilated. Ew. A lot of flies on there. Oh, there's another one. Oh, wait a minute. Oh my God, it's one of those cattle mutilations. That wasn't a condor, that was a space bird. Because, you know, it had silver claws and it was dripping with blood. It was carrying off entrails or something, I don't know. Look at these deer, there's got to be a dozen of them. Oh, it's a slaughterhouse. The forest has become a slaughterhouse. I'm slipping on the blood. Time to go home, I think. Now, most people would call the ranger on their cell phone or something. Not me. I want to get to the bottom of this. Whoa, here's some tracks. I thought so. Space bugs. This is the work of space bugs, right here in this little park. Aha! Yeah, space bugs. Well, I know how to capture them. I'm just gonna lean down here and grab one of these carcasses and just drag it along and make a trail of blood. Right behind that catalpa tree over there. I'm gonna stand back with a big piece of wood, like a stick or something. Wait till that bug comes along and bop him right on the head. Okay. This deer is kind of heavy. Okay. It's in place now. I got my stick. Shh. Those damn warblers. Cut out of here, boys. Cut out of here. Hey, I think I hear something. Space bug, here it comes. Shh, gotta be quiet. Here it comes. Yeah, it's on the scent trail there. It's coming right around. Yeah, I can see the shadow. There it is down here. It smells the blood. It sees the little hoof I left sticking out behind the tree. It's coming. It's coming. Shh. I got it. Oh, Jesus, that wasn't a space bug. That was my Uncle Mortimer.